Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to edit checkout page in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open WordPress dashboard and then make an example product. So after that, you have to click the save button and then open your website. Now select the product and here the checkout page will open. So now right click and select the option inspect, then start editing from there, like color, font, size. That is the one way of editing a checkout page. The other way is to go to dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and then click on the pages button. After clicking the pages button, click on the edit option and start editing by the many options given on the left side. Edit however you want it to be. These are the two ways of editing a checkout page. So that's how to edit checkout page in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.